and we have frame. Frame is the makeup of we have angle, piece, we have skin, and we have another angle, and we have web. And revert together, revert together, revert together to the skin. So the whole thing here is considered as frame. So this is frame construction. And we may have just a simple angle. This is skin. And we have a simple just angle. And we have reverts. So this is stringer. Yeah. So this is basic construction of aircraft structure. Is this decoded? Okay, recorded. Okay, so this is what we have typically. We do not have other uh, other concept. We don't have any other design. This is basic design of the aircraft structure. You can see here, this is picture of part of the aircraft structure. So you can see most of the construction, all the construction. Either we have frame, so the big massive structure here is frame. We have the stringer. So the frame is just like then we have the skin wrapped around it, and all the skin will be reverted to reverted to the stringer and part of the frame. Frame is basically is a construction of either pieces of L angle, two pieces of L angle, and we have web that attach them together, or we may have one big piece which is machine. You may have a machine piece, one big piece, machine off. So that also another construction of the frame. So this piece is very thick pieces machine together, and this most of the time is not easy to repair. Or may we have a Z frame. So that is also riveted together. So there's many kind of shape to make up the frame. It can be pieces or it can be one complete machine piece. And these pieces as a structure tend to get damaged. We may have damaged the skin itself. We may have damaged the flange. We have vertical flange, horizontal flange. You may also damage part of the frame. So because the typical construction is a frame and a skin, so the majority of repair will be just splicing or doubler over the frame, over the section angle. So we have splice, doubler, or we have a skin Say this part of skin. We have damage here, and we have a double repair. After we cut off the damage off, then we put a reverse all over. So typical repair is only 2. So either we have doubler over the angle section and doubler over the skin. So those are the typical repair of the aircraft structure based on their common typical construction. You may have a doubler angle, or you may splice the whole section. Or doubler repair. Okay. Anyone with question?